Hello, so in today's class we will look into the equation and properties of ellipse. Now as you have seen, for a conic, the distances from the fixed point and the fixed straight line, they will have a constant ratio. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ഡയറക്ട്രിക്സിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസും ഫോക്കസിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസും എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ റേഷ്യോ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ the ratio will be constant and അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ eccentricity എന്ന് പറയുക. Now for an ellipse, eccentricity will be a value between 0 and 1. Okay, so let us first write that. So for a conic, distances from a fixed point and from a fixed straight line on the plane bear a constant ratio and the constant ratio is called the eccentricity. So constant ratio is called eccentricity. Now for parabola we have seen both the distances are equal. നമ്മൾ പരാബോളയിൽ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫിക്സഡ് പോയിന്റ് നിന്ന് ഫിക്സഡ് ലൈനിലേക്കുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. സോ ഫോർ പരാബോള so we will use E for denoting eccentricity. So for parabola E is equal to 1 and for ellipse you will have 0 less than E less than 1. So E will be a value which is lying between 0 and 1. Okay, so using we have this. So distance from the focus and distance from the directrix, they will have a constant ratio. So using that idea, we will derive the equation of the ellipse. So before that, from the figure, we will look at so what all quantities are given here in the figure. Okay, so here you have the points S and S dash. So S dash, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എലിപ്സിന്റെ കേസിൽ രണ്ട് ഫോക്കസ് ഉണ്ട്. So these two are the focus of the ellipse. So now for deriving the equation, so let me take the focus S dash. So S dash is the focus and the line M dash is going to be the directrix. So S is the focus and M dash is the directrix, and I'll call E as the eccentricity. So that is a notation for eccentricity. And I have taken, so from the figure you can see S dash D is perpendicular to M dash. So S dash D is perpendicular to M dash, and let me take DS dash. So that is equal to C. So that's a perpendicular distance between the directrix and the focus. So I'm calling it as C, and here D S dash and DM are taken as the x and y axis. So here this is the x and y axis. So ds dash and dm, so they are the x and y axis. And P, you can see the point P. So P is point on the ellipse. Okay. And again, you can see PM and PN. So PM and PN are perpendicular to MM dash and the line DS dash. So you have PM perpendicular to MM dash and PN is perpendicular to the line DS dash. So when I mean DS dash, that is the extended line. And now let us move on to defining the equation of the ellipse. So we have seen that eccentricity, that will be a constant. So the distance from the point P to the focus and its ratio with the distance to the directrix will be equal to E. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ P എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് എലിപ്സിലെ പോയിന്റ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ this distance S dash P divided by PM, that will be a constant. So it will be the eccentricity. So S dash P by PM will be equal to E. So that implies S dash P square will be equal to E square P M square. Now let us look at the figure once again. ഇപ്പോൾ S dash P എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് so it is the hypotenuse of the right triangle S dash PN. അപ്പോൾ S dash P square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് S dash N square plus NP square ആയിരിക്കും. And PM, the distance PM is equal to the distance DN. So let us make that adjustments. Okay. അപ്പോൾ S dash P നെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡിന്റെയും അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡിന്റെയും സ്ക്വയർ ആയിട്ട് വരും. അപ്പോൾ S dash N whole square plus NP square equal to E square into this is DN square. And now S dash N whole square will be, so let us look at what is S dash N. ഇനി N ന്റെ X component എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be same as the X component of the point P. So here the X component is equal to X. ഈ പോയിന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ശരിക്കും X0 ആയിരിക്കും. And this is DS dash, നമ്മൾ ലെങ്ത് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് C ആണ്. So here this will be the point C0. So when you take the distance S dash N will be equal to X minus C. Okay. So you will have X minus C whole square plus, now let us look at the value of NP. NP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടുത്തെ P യുടെ y coordinate തന്നെയായിരിക്കും MP യുടെ length. So that will be equal to y square. So this is equal to E square. Now let us look at DN. ഇനി DN എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് this is the origin to X. The distance will be again X. So that will be X square. So expand the functions. So you'll get X square minus 2CX plus C square plus Y square equal to E square X square. So that is X square into 1 minus E square minus 2CX plus Y square plus C square equal to 0. And now divide throughout by 1 minus E square. So you will get X square minus 2C x by 1 minus e square plus y square by 1 minus e square plus c square by 1 minus e square equal to 0. You can complete the perfect square. So that will give us x minus 2 b is going to be c by 1 minus e square. C by 1 minus e square the whole square plus c square by 1 minus e square in that theorem. So I need to subtract minus c square by 1 minus e square the whole square plus remaining you have y square by 1 minus e square plus c square by 1 minus e square equal to 0. Now let us again simplify this. So we will get x minus c by 1 minus e square the whole square plus y square by 1 minus e square equal to, so we will have c square by 1 minus e square whole square. So c square by 1 minus e square whole square minus c square by 1 minus e square. Minus e square by 1 minus e square. So that will be equal to c square minus c square into 1 minus e square by 1 minus e square whole square. So that is going to give us the equation x minus c by 1 minus e square whole square plus y square by 1 minus e square equal to, so c square will cancel off, so you will get c square e square by 1 minus e square the whole square. Now here this is centered at the point C, 1 minus e square and 0. Now we will shift the origin to C by 1 minus e square 0 and the axis will be remaining parallel. So that will give us the transformation. Okay, by under the transformation, so that is going to give us the new equation. So you will get x square plus y square by 1 minus e square equal to e square c square by 1 minus e square the whole square. So changing the origin to c by 1 minus e square 0 with the axis remaining parallel. The equation becomes, so നമ്മൾ വേറൊന്നും ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന എലിപ്സിനെ ജസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്. So upon shifting, so the x coordinate will become when you are shifting to the right side of x plus a varum. So here this will become x square. So x square plus y square by 1 minus e square will be equal to e square c square by 1 minus e square the whole square. Now let us put ec by 1 minus e square equal to a. So this will be a square. So therefore the equation becomes x square plus y square by 1 minus e square equal to a square. So you will get x square by a square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square equal to 1. So put b square equal to 1 minus e square into a square. So that implies the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So here b square is given by 1 minus e square by a square. So this is going to be the standard equation of the ellipse.